Hello everybody, this is your host and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to help with you a very interesting software which is about making animations. So here we can get started with it. You just have to type Animaker in the Google search engine and you will get the required results. So this is Animaker logo and you'll click on the first one in the Google search engine and this kind of interface will open in front of you. I'm going to log in with my account. You will create your own or you can sign up as well. So you can create your first video using Animaker, in fact, a cartoon video. So for that, this kind of interface will bring you to create the actual kind of animations up to your wish. So you can create your moments by searching at all templates, or you can create the 2D cartoon videos. You can create it with ads or promos, explainer, or everything you wish to have in your channel or any kind of work. So you can preview their templates as well. They have the property listings. You can use it for school purpose. I'll start with the blank project because I want to learn with scratch. So let's get started. You can start with the horizontal video. It's 16:9, and for YouTube Shorts you can use vertical, and for Instagram you can go with 1:1 ratio. I'll go with the horizontal video. Clicking upon it, you'll get this kind of interface upon buffering, and here you go. This is your dashboard project, so you can have it with the project started with 6 easy steps having Animaker as your host. So these 6 easy steps is first you have to go with the character. You'll add the character, then choose the actions and expressions for that character. Then you can use the text animations. You can use even background music, and I'll help you out in each and every step in detail. So let's get started without wasting your more time. So now I'm going to have it with the character. So upon exiting it, you can select their characters as well. They offer you a huge variety of characters in the pro and even in the free version as well. So what about creating your own character? I'm going to create my own. So when you have this kind of interface, you can choose your own character. If you are a male, you can select male. If you are female or any you wish to have with your own body features, you can even select a girl or a baby. These are up to upgrade version, but I don't want it right now because I'm going with the free version. For now, I'm using the male because it is standard. I can change his looks upon my wish. I can even use this writer or some kind modern or having the beachy effect or a businessman or a tutor. So here I am going to have it with the tutor one. I think this will go best. I can have this with changing its expressions and colors and all the body outfits and what you like the most. So this is the skin color. I think the first one is quite good. Not too dark, not too light. This will go okay. Now going to change the hairstyle. This will look quite messy. I want to have my avatar look decent because I'm going to teach it. It's up to own your wish so that you can use up to your own wish. So I think the hair color is also good. I can also change the facial features of this avatar. I can even make this look as myself. I can even copy myself to this avatar. So you can use the facial hair if I want my avatar to have beard. Let's see. No, it looks like a Santa Claus, nothing else. So I think plain will go good. I don't want any kind of beard on his face. So I think none will go good. Yes. So getting about his eyes. Uh, let's check this out. These are quite similar, but slight difference. It can bring a huge change. You can see how the avatar has been changing his eyes. I think this will go perfect. Yeah, this drooping eyes. So eyebrows, I think this is okay. Yeah, this is okay. This is my favorite eyebrow style. I think I don't have to change nose. Nose is perfect. It suits him. So what about lip color? This lip, yeah, this is quite acceptable. I am okay with the ears as well. Nothing to have it. I don't want any kind of piercing. I want to make him look decent, so I'll okay with this. Save. You can even save it or continue editing. You can have to select the new character just because you want to have two characters in your video. But for now, I'm going to have it single. And the free version, you can get two characters. And for the third character, you have to upgrade it. So you can also select this. You can have that business friendly, casual, or anything you wish to have. You can use more than two characters in your one video. This is a very exception of animator that it gives you with the animating a new video of your up to. You can use your own dressing or anything you wish to have it. So let's get started with the video. I'm adjusting the avatar. I'll adjust it like this. I think this will the best position. I want him. I can change the expressions and the pose. I'll select that standing and talking. You can see he's lip syncing and also moving his hand so that I can use that text or any action or anything I want to present to you in the right side of the video. So I want him to get started with the left. So whenever I start my video, it comes from the left side. So when I start my video, it comes right from the start. So I want it to come from later on. So I'm getting the avatar set after 0 seconds, like 0.5 seconds. And when I play this video, you can see it comes after a while, because in the start, it looks like so awkward. And I even can't see the transitions of the avatar, which I have set. So I'll just drag the time. I can even set the background. If I've made him look like a teacher, I can use the blackboard. It is a green board, in fact. I can use the text. So this is text, like I can select from the range of text. Let's see, I select think different. This is black and it is not visible. So I'll simply click on it, edit text, and change the color of the text. I can use like grayish white so that it most probably look like a chalk. Yeah, this is quite visible right now. So here you go with I'm adjusting the text. You just simply drag it to your required position. You can even get it small or make it big upon just rotating the cursor. So you can use the subheading. This is also in black. I'm changing the color, simply selecting it, and then this is what. So let's get it adjusted with my cursor. Think different with, you can say anything. Think different with me. Yeah, me will go best. So me. I will most probably exclamation mark. Yeah. So I'll also change the color, and this is, I think yellow will go, a mustard color will go best. So I can also edit the text with the spacing. I can set the size according to this. I can have this let them bold, and also can change the font of my writing. So you can adjust it very simply. It's hell easy to try on. Even movies can do it in a very professional way. So I'm done with the text editing, I just have seen here a subscribe button as I'm making it for YouTube. So you can have this for your video YouTube channel. You can have this like, first I'm going to let it be like on this side, and my channel name is Daily Guide Pro, so I can even upload it from the left down corner. And here you go. Simply browse, and I have it in my downloads. You can even remove the background, but it is in the Pro version. So here you go. It is uploading, and I'll just simply drag and drop. So you can also adjust it. I think this position will go good because it's quite visible, and this will go right down there. So Daily Guide Pro, and you have to subscribe it. Now all of the elements are just done, and when I play this video, it comes along with this. It is not quite good because everything is already present. I want to make it in the transition so that it will look more cool and more natural and attractive. So I can also select the layers of each and every text and every element I've used in this video by this layering portion. Here you can see whenever I click any layer, it just gets to that point. And also I can select that specific element from the timeline down there. So when I click on it, it only happens when the video is paused. So I want that thing different to come after the character appears. Make sure my character appears at 0.5 seconds and I want it to appear at 3 seconds. So like, you know what, when I go with this second option, here you go, it's width, and I want width with the later thing different. So I'll adjust it at 5 seconds. I want the thing different with come first and width after that. So when I select specific word, I'll get into the animation, and then I set the animation of that specific word. Let's see, I set the me at 6 seconds. And as far as I've selected, I click onto the animation and then come down and select any kind of animation. Let's say I want that this me to be written by a hand. I can even select the hand color, and that's it. Now comes to the subscription and my channel name. I want it to appear at the end of the slide and then subscribe. So I also want to select the animation. So here you go with, I want it to come from, like I selected it in zooming page. It all comes like a zooming one. So now I'm selecting with the subscribe. It comes under the Daily Guide Pro, and I cannot find layer. So let's get it adjusted. Thing different, I haven't put this. Let's set it also. I want it to come like a wiping thing. So I'm finding this. Here you go. This group comes under this. I have set the subscription part with kind of animation, and here you go, all set again. So when I set it all, so let's get in the start and play. Here you can see how my character comes everything different with me, then rolling on Daily Guide Pro and subscribe. You can see how it transitioned my words. So let's check about voiceover. I can also change it to text to speech. I can upload my own voiceover, or I can record it here. So I'm going with the text to speech. So just to check how it gets a voiceover for me if I haven't done any. So let's have this. Let's type hi or hey. I'm a Josh. I have given this name a Josh. Your tutor, you can say I'm your tutor and anything you wish to have this. So I'm writing a random script so that just for the sake you know how it generates. So you know what, how it generates a voiceover for you. You can have this, you can set it according to your wish. I prefer to have your script ready. I haven't made it yet, so I prefer you to have your script ready or your voiceover ready, and just you have to upload it, or any script you have to just change it. Then when you're done with that step, then you can easily make that character and any transition to your video. So I have made the video first, and then I'm setting up the script, so it will quite difficult for me, and this will also lag or something. So but never mind, I'm new just to make you know how it works actually. So you can check. I'm okay with that voice of Matthew. You can even change the voiceover, so it simply syncs your audio and the music track is added. So let's get started with playing it.
Hey, I adjust you tutor from now on. So feel free to ask any kind of question. Think different with me so we can explore new ideas.
Here you go. So it is done, and you know what? You can set the layer of your character and the background, and you can also select that advanced edit options and edits right from the audio track. So I'm okay with it. Let's checking out that how you can add another scene and how you can change it. Let's say I'm just here to show you another thing about it. So I'm just having this character, drag and drop, and I'll go to show you another thing, which is smart move, not animation. I'm going to show you the smart move. Here you can have these premium as well, but some of them are free and they are very interesting. So I just drag that person from here to here, not a dot. Dot will not go, simply apply it and then see how it works.
More interesting videos, be simply subscribing my channel.
Here, this kind of effect, you can make your character moves from here to here or anything. You can set according to your wish. So I am done with this slide. I'm just going to have this because my video is quite long. And
Yeah, I adjust you tutor from now on. So feel free to ask any kind of question. Think different with me so we can explore new ideas. Try to help me.
So I can set the transition effects to this video because my video slide has been changing and I want it to come with this style. So let's get this square top, this kind of, and let's get started again. Play.
Hey, I adjust you tutor from now on. So feel free to ask any kind of question. Think different with me so we can explore new ideas. Try to help me bring you more interesting videos by simply subscribing my channel.
Actually, because I have made the script later on. So this is all for today. Get back to me if you want any kind of help in any further topics. See ya.